Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Discord password if you've forgotten it. If you guys are new to Guide Infinity, if you could give us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. Cool. Okay, so if you go into Discord and if you go into your user settings in the bottom left hand corner, then go to my account and then change password, you'll be asked to enter in your current password before you can go ahead and change it to a new one. So obviously we don't know our current password, so we can't do that. So what we need to do is just go ahead and log out of Discord. To log out of Discord, scroll down on the left hand side and then go and click on log out. So now what you need to do is go ahead and enter in your email or phone number of that Discord account. Once you've done that, you can then go ahead and click forgot your password. It's then going to send you an email where you can reset the password. So this is what the email will look like. So you can then go ahead and click on reset password. That will open up Discord on your web browser, and then you can simply go ahead and enter in your new password. And there you go, that is it guys. That is how you can change your Discord password if you've forgotten it. I really hope that you guys found this video useful. If you could give us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.